Welcome to LOPO's channel. I'm Daisy. I'm the head graphic designer here at LOPO. This is the first time for me to share my design story through this way. A little bit nervous, but more exciting. Before talking about the specific design for the product that I will share today, I would like to do a brief introduction of myself first. I was educated in Hong Kong with major of graphic design. I do love drawing and design since I was little. Because in design world, we can explore our feeling and there is no limit. I do enjoy every single minute when I have any new inspiration, designs from my daily life. Okay, this is me, a girl who loves designs and always gets ready for any new ideas. Today, I will talk about how to design for the new AirPod case. This case is upgraded for better protective function and softer materials that will have better texture on touching and light in weight. Let's see how to do design for it. The most important part of design for this product is the template. The template I made is matched with the front and the back, which is really convenient for you to do design on it, because it is as a preview of its printing result. After that, you can do any design on this perfect template. So let me share you some tips on doing design on it. First, avoid using large image or pattern on it, because the upper part is quite narrow. We recommend you to use smaller pattern on it. After that, if you want to add your name on it, we recommend you to put it on the larger part of its front, because that can show your name in larger. That is all for what I learned when I do design for these products. And we do have templates to share together with some designs I did. Just contact our sales or leave your message at below. Or subscribe our channel, you will always get the free templates and design from us. Okay, this is Daisy from LOPO, and hope today's video is helpful for you to understand better of how to do design for this product. Grow your business and save your printing costs. Join us, let's make life memorable.